Hello, Girl Scouts. Thanks for attending the Girl Scout Cookie Countdown with us. We were so excited to have so many of you with us in our live sessions and participating in on your own time activities and all of the different things. We forgot to give away our prizes. We had a prize to give away each night of the live sessions, and we completely forgot about doing the prize wheel. So here I am. I'm recording it for you, the drawing, and we'll get these out in the mail for those who win the prizes. So our first prize for night number 1 are these really cute koala socks. So you'll get a pair of these koala socks if you win the prize. And so let me switch screens here and click to spin. Let's see who wins our koala socks. And congratulations to Kayla W. winning the koala socks. All right, so then Kayla's taken off of the list since she has now won prize number 1. Prize number 2 is this cute little koala bag, just a girl who loves koalas. And a reminder to always be braver, that you're braver and stronger, braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think, and loved more than you know. So a great little message on that bag. Let's flip over here and see who wins prize number 2. Madison G. winning prize number 2. Congratulations, Madison. We'll get that in the mail to you. And prize number 3 is a koala puzzle. So we'll mail this puzzle. Isn't that adorable? 3 little koalas, lots of puzzle pieces for you to put together that activity. Let's flip over here and see who wins our koala puzzle. Braylee J. Congratulations, Braylee. Prize number 4 is a koala bookmark. So it's metal, has a little koala hanging off the sides, a really nice bookmark for you to use in any of your books. Prize number 4 koala bookmark goes to Adelina P. And our final prize is a koala poppet. So that koala poppet will be going to prize winner number 5 for night number 5. Bailey T. All right, congratulations to Kayla, Madison, Braylee, Adelina, and Bailey. We'll get those prizes sent out to you in the mail. They should be arriving in an Amazon box in the next couple of days.